Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen like so to bring out the toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend them. Now on one of the pages you'll find the power saving mode, or as it's called here, battery saver toggle. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up a window letting you choose two options. We have standard battery saver or extreme battery saver, and standard one limits visual effects and background activity, turns on dark theme if not already on. And then extended or extreme battery saver includes all changes listed above, also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. So this is basically the super extreme one where it just limits the usability of your device, and I think it also will probably remove things like wallpaper and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just designed to straight up preserve battery and do almost nothing else. So I'm gonna stick with the standard one as this is the common one, and we can select turn on, and as you can see it is now enabled. So there we go. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.